What if I told you Tesla didn't just stop at EVs or robots, but secretly built machines that could rewrite the future? We imagined what Tesla cars might look like, not next year, but 50 years from now. Using AI, creativity, and just the right amount of sci-fi madness, we've created 10 mind-bending Tesla concepts you've never seen before. This is not just a list, it's a vision. Let's ride. Tesla SkyRunner X. Your Uber just landed from the sky. The SkyRunner X is Tesla's first flying car, a sleek VTOL machine with whisper-quiet rotors and a cabin wrapped in Tesla vision. No more roads, no more red lights. Just summon your ride, and it takes off vertically, dodging drones, soaring through micro-weather tunnels, and landing exactly where you need it. It's not sci-fi. It's airspace, on demand. Tesla Vortex Blade. This isn't a car, it's a missile in disguise. The Vortex Blade is Tesla's speed demon, designed to shatter land speed records and blur the line between car and aircraft. It morphs in real time, narrowing its profile, activating stabilizing fins, and launching forward with graphene-powered insanity. 0 to 60? How about 0 to gone? Tesla Novamind. What if your car could think? Novamind is Tesla's first emotionally intelligent vehicle, powered by an AI copilot named Luna. It senses your mood, speaks in calming tones, adjusts the lighting, plays music based on your heart rate, and even detects stress. It's like driving with a friend who actually listens. Tesla Mirage. You didn't see that, or did you? Mirage is the stealth SUV of the future. Outfitted with adaptive nanofilm skin, it bends light, evades radar, and disappears into the environment. This is the off-grid Tesla for ghost recon missions, urban survivalists, and billionaires who really don't want to be found. Tesla Zeropoint. Tesla's boldest concept yet, a car that needs no charger. Zeropoint uses ambient energy capture, motion harvesting, and quantum resonance to power itself forever. It's the holy grail of mobility. No cords, no cables, just endless drive. Tesla Cruiser. When the Earth changes, your car has to keep up. The Cruiser is designed for extremes. Arctic snowstorms, solar radiation flares, desert heat waves. This Tesla regulates its own microclimate and can even deploy a full-on survival mode. Think of it as your all-weather apocalypse limo. Tesla Aeon Flux. Destination? Europa? Or Mars? Or wherever your curiosity takes you. Aeon Flux is an interplanetary Tesla built for deep exploration. It has solar sails, anti-radiation shielding, and an AI assistant that maps alien terrain. When humans reach other planets, this might be the first vehicle to roll out of the shuttle. Tesla Morphous. Sedan, truck, camper, lab? Morphous doesn't permit to one form, it becomes whatever you need. With memory polymer panels and a self-transforming chassis, it shifts based on your plans. Camping trip? It becomes a shelter. Delivery run? A utility hauler. Date night? A luxury coupe. Tesla Dreamline. This Tesla doesn't drive you around, it dreams with you. Dreamline is synced with your neural rhythms, helping you rest, recover, and even lucid dream while traveling. Wake up refreshed 500 miles away with a detailed dream report waiting in your inbox. Tesla Phantom R1. And then there's the one Tesla no one admits exists, the Phantom R1. No steering wheel, no screens, just holograms and intent recognition. It doesn't show up on traffic cams, doesn't register on smart roadways, it drives itself, and only appears to those it chooses. These aren't just AI fantasies, they're blueprints for what's next. Tesla isn't building cars, it's building experiences and rewriting the rules of transportation. So, which one would you ride into the future? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button if these blew your mind, and subscribe to Uprising AI for more sci-fi turned reality.